Hi, today I want to show you how to remix music with AceStep 1.5 on my 8 GB of VRAM. You just go to Comfy UI and Templates, search for Ace, and you will find a lot of AceStep workflows here because this has been there for a while. I'm going to show you with the AIO all-in-one model. Use this workflow. You just go to the link here and download the model. Before we are going to other workflow, it's better to test with the demo first. Okay, it's done. Let me check out the time. 131 seconds, so it's about 2 minutes. That's not too bad. 2 minutes for generating a 2-minute audio clip. That's quite good. Let's try that.
Yeah, yeah, let it breathe. Late night glow on your skin, yeah. Window cracks, city hums again. Coffee rings on the tabletop. Time don't rush, it just drops.
Leave a little space for me. Every miss is part of it. That's how soul is always meant. Stay right there, don't pull it straight. I love how we arrive late. Off the grid, but locked in time. That lazy.
Okay, the ending is not that good. It just chopped off. Anyway, we just want to make sure it works. Now I'm going to show you with another workflow. For the next workflow, you need to download some notes. If you go to Comfy UI Manager, then you can type in Ryan. Then this is the package I have downloaded, Ryan on the inside. And the workflow, you can find it on his website. I will link this in the description. Today we are going to look at the cover JSON file here. I've already downloaded. So let's go to Comfy UI and open my workflow. It's using the same model. Now let me get my own MP3 file. I need to set the start time. I have tested this, so I know it. So that's the duration, about 20 seconds. Here you can specify the duration, but I'm going to use my own duration here. And detected key here. I'm not sure how well it works, but anyway, just use it here. Now I'm going to separate the audio because I want to change the background music without changing the vocal. So let's get the audio separation. This one here. Get my audio here. And I need to merge these 3 tracks. So get the audio merge. I need 2 of them. Just hold the Alt key and then get 2 of them. So merge these 2. And this one go to here and merge the third one. Now I've got the merge audio. I need to make sure it go to the right places. One has to go to here. And you can see here there's another one go to far away. There's only a audio preview. I don't need that, so don't worry about that one. And the other one is going to here. So I need this one. Now the vocal, I want to get it unchanged and go to the output. So what I'm going to do, I want to use the save audio and ignore these 2. I need a merge again. Okay, this is the output of the render audio. Usually it's very low level. I need to make a volume higher. So let's say adjust it to 2 or maybe 3 because we want to change the music. So we want to listen to the music more than the vocal. This is the background music. So I need to put the vocal here. Basically, I get the vocal from here to merge it here. I can put something in the prompt, but I don't see anything change a lot. So especially when I change the noise. So let's say I want it to be techno. At the moment, I have the noise 1, and it will change a lot on my input audio. So let's run and try it. Okay, it's done. That's super quick. Only 20 seconds. Let me show you the original audio clip first. Okay, that's the original one. So I don't want to get problem with the copyright. So now listen to the output audio. Okay, it's okay, but somehow it's not really matching the vocal. If you want to keep it more close to the original audio, I think 0.8 is not bad. Try it again. Okay, it's done. So let's play it. Now let me try 0.5. You don't want to go lower because it's so fast. You can play around with the parameter. Unfortunately, you can't really control a lot in the remix music, but sometimes it's very useful if you want to use a well-known song, but you don't want it to be so well-known. You know what I mean? So you can modify a little bit and get around that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
在跳，不得了，我想和你白头到老。There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.